So this gift set is perfect for the female or daughter in your life. So let me show you what's in here. So it's a nice gift box. It has a card in here and it has a really nice lavender scented soy candle. I love lavender, really nice. You can see the little lavender leaves in there. So it's just really pretty and it smells so good. Honestly, wish this was bigger. It has this really nice silk eye mask. And then the star of the set is this heated massager. And it comes with this USB to USB-C connector. You just plug it in right here to charge it. There's no charging block. And then it has this nice strap that goes around your waist. So all you have to do is just push this down right here to pull it apart and then snap it back in. It's adjustable. It's really nice and stretchy. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that, but really nice adjustable strap. And then heating pad, this is what it looks like. It's firm plastic on the outside, nice felt on the inside, nice and soft. And so nice thing about this, it can go around on your belly or your back. And it has this nice cute little kitten type ears right here, little heart right here, decorative touch. And so right here, you just press this, hold it down for 3 seconds and you see it come on. And so right now you can see the indicator is at 81% charge. And now you can see the temperature. And then this button right here controls the massager. So you might be able to hear. It has different massaging patterns. So you can hear it go up. And then you can change this. It has different temperatures you can set it to. So it's heating up. Actually, I can actually feel it right here heating up. It's getting quite warm. And so you can see what it's right now, it's at 110, but it was set at 113. There you go. And then it can go even higher. So it has different heat controls and it's just really nice. So this feels really good on actually. So when you wear this, you can really feel this and it feels really good and soothing. So now I have it on and you can see it feels really good. And I can feel the vibration, I can feel the massaging, and it's just really soothing to have the heat on and the massaging. So definitely think this is a great gift for in your life or your daughter. Makes great gifts for college students going away. Definitely recommend this set for female in your life. It's a really good comprehensive gift with the eye mask and the candle. Definitely, it's a really nice set, so definitely recommend it.